Is the automotive world ready for the triumphant return of a legend? Get ready, because the Dacia Duster, the champion of affordable SUVs, is gearing up for a thrilling comeback in 2026. This isn't just another car launch, it's the rebirth of an icon. The Duster has always been about delivering incredible value without sacrificing practicality or style. And let me tell you, the 2026 model takes this philosophy to a whole new level. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive deep into the details surrounding the most anticipated SUV launch of the year. From its revamped design to its cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Dacia Duster is poised to redefine what it means to be a true game-changer in the automotive world. Get ready to witness the evolution of an icon. Before we delve into the specifics of the 2026 Dacia Duster, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy that precedes it. Since its debut, the Dacia Duster has consistently challenged the status quo, proving that you don't need a luxury price tag to own a capable and stylish SUV. Its rugged charm, combined with its surprising affordability, has resonated with drivers worldwide, making it a bestseller in numerous markets. The Duster has earned its stripes as the people's champion, offering an unbeatable combination of practicality, versatility, and value. But the Duster's appeal extends beyond its affordability. It's a vehicle that embodies a sense of adventure, a go-anywhere attitude that resonates with those who crave exploration and freedom. And with the 2026 model, Dacia is poised to amplify these qualities, taking the Duster to even greater heights. Get ready to experience the next chapter in the Dacia Duster's remarkable journey. The automotive world is buzzing with anticipation for the arrival of the 2026 Dacia Duster, and the good news is, the wait won't be much longer. Mark your calendars because Dacia has a phased rollout planned, designed to build excitement and ensure a smooth global launch. The grand unveiling is slated for late 2025, where the world will get its first official glimpse of the redesigned Duster in all its glory. Following closely on its heels, pre-orders are expected to open in the fourth quarter of 2025, giving eager customers the opportunity to secure their spot at the front of the line. Early birds can expect to get behind the wheel in early 2026 as the first deliveries commence. From there, Dacia plans to expand the Duster's reach, with a full global launch expected by mid-2026. This strategic rollout ensures that Dacia can meet the undoubtedly high demand for its latest masterpiece. Get ready to witness the 2026 Dacia Duster take the world by storm, one continent at a time. One of the most significant changes for the 2026 Dacia Duster lies beneath its stylish exterior. Dacia is making the leap to the renowned CMF-B platform, a move that promises enhanced driving dynamics, improved efficiency, and increased safety. This platform, shared with other successful models within the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance, lays the foundation for a more refined and engaging driving experience. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Dacia is also embracing the future of mobility by introducing hybrid options for the 2026 Duster. While specific details about the hybrid powertrain remain under wraps, expect a blend of efficiency and performance, catering to the growing demand for eco-conscious driving without compromising the Duster's adventurous spirit. This move towards electrification signifies Dacia's commitment to staying ahead of the curve and providing their customers with the latest technological advancements. Get ready to experience the thrill of driving a Duster that's as kind to the environment as it is to your wallet. Section 5. A fresh look design evolution. While the Dacia Duster has always embraced a rugged and functional aesthetic, the 2026 model is poised to receive a stylish refresh, bringing its design language into the future. Expect sharper lines, a more assertive stance, and modern design cues that enhance its visual appeal. Dacia understands the importance of first impressions, and the 2026 Duster is sure to turn heads with its updated design. While the exact details remain a closely guarded secret, rumors suggest a bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and more sculpted bodywork, giving the Duster a more premium and contemporary look. But fear not, Duster enthusiasts. While the design may be evolving, the core principles of practicality and functionality remain at the forefront. Expect the same generous ground clearance, spacious interior, and rugged capabilities that have made the Duster a favorite among adventurers and families alike. Get ready to experience a Duster that's as stylish as it is capable, proving that you don't have to sacrifice form for function. Section 6. Duster's Global Expedition Launch Timeline. The 2026 Dacia Duster isn't content with conquering just one market. It has its sights set on global domination. While the initial launch will focus on key European markets, Dacia has a phased rollout plan to ensure the Duster reaches all corners of the globe. Following its European debut, the Duster is expected to make its way to other regions, including Latin America, Africa, and parts of Asia. This strategic approach allows Dacia to tailor the Duster's specifications and features to meet the specific needs and preferences of each market. Dacia understands that the Duster's appeal is universal, transcending geographical boundaries. Its winning formula of affordability, practicality, and style resonates with drivers from all walks of life, making it a truly global vehicle. Get ready to welcome the 2026 Dacia Duster to a dealership near you, no matter where you are in the world. Section 7. Price speculation. How much will it cost? One of the most burning questions surrounding the 2026 Dacia Duster is undoubtedly its price. While official figures remain under wraps, Dacia has built a reputation for delivering exceptional value, and the 2026 Duster is expected to follow suit. Industry experts predict that the base model of the 2026 Duster will be priced competitively, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. As you move up the trim levels, expect to find additional features and technology, allowing you to tailor the Duster to your specific needs and preferences. Of course, pricing will vary depending on the market and specific trim level, but one thing is certain: the 2026 Dacia Duster will continue to offer an unbeatable combination of affordability and value. Dacia understands that in today's market, price is a key consideration for many buyers, and they are committed to making the Duster accessible to a wide range of customers. Get ready to experience a vehicle that doesn't compromise on quality or features, despite its attractive price point. Section 8. The countdown begins. Your Duster awaits. As the clock ticks down to the grand unveiling of the 2026 Dacia Duster, the excitement continues to build. Automotive enthusiasts, families, and adventurers alike are eagerly awaiting the arrival of this game-changing SUV, ready to experience its blend of practicality, style, and affordability. But the question remains: when will the Duster arrive in your neck of the woods? And which feature are you most excited about? Is it the sleek new design, the promise of hybrid technology, or the unbeatable value that Dacia is known for? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, predictions, and excitement in the comments below. Let's count down the days together as we await the arrival of the 2026 Dacia Duster, a vehicle that's poised to redefine the SUV segment and capture the hearts of drivers worldwide. Get ready to embark on your next adventure with the 2026 Dacia Duster. The countdown begins now.